Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. Fatima Dauda, say hi.
Hi.
And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having Fatima Dauda on our channel, guys. We'll be having Fatima Dauda on our channel, for a cornrow braiding. Can you see her hair? This is how her hair looks like. She have a very beautiful natural hair. Actually her hair is a little bit long, but just that, you know, as an African person, whenever we wash our hair, this is how the hair looks like. It will go down. Definitely that's not what normally happens. If you're an African person, you can relate, you understand what I'm trying to say here. So we'll be having Fatima Dauda on our channel, guys, today. If you all can remember, there was once a time, the first video I had with Fatima Dauda, I did the cornrow, but this time around I have a big sis that can do that for her. Fatima Dauda, are you happy to be on this channel today?
Yes, I'm happy.
So what will you tell the people here now?
Thank you. Look at my hair.
Thank you. Look at my hair. A lot of them have been commenting down on your video, the last time, the first video and the second video, that you look so beautiful. You're so beautiful. So what will you say to them?
Thank you.
Thank you. And you what? So she said thank you so much. So thank you so much all for the love you all shown for her last upload. Let me not even say the last upload, all her upload. Thank you so much for the love you all show to her, and thank you so much for all the love you all has been showing to us. Thank you so much. You all are amazing. Thank you so much for always being there for us. Thank you so much for always being supportive. Thank you so much for always being there. You all are amazing. You guys are amazing. I love you so much. You all don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad's YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment.
And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel also.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love.
Fam, still your favorite girl.
In Muhammad, in Zabir,
babies.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby, then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along.
I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one